Hey guys, do you play the game Idle Mafia? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of the Idle Mafia for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So hop on down to this website, hexmods.com, and as you can see, it says Idle Mafia. So press on it, press the download button, and before it downloads, you will have to do a verification, guys, by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. Totally free and from the official App Store. So let me walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says like setting up final stage, keep our server safe from malicious attacks by completing 2 of these app downloads. So I already did this whole process. I'm not going to do it in this video, but you can see it says complete 2 more offers. So it's very simple. You just press on your app and it will bring you to the App Store, guys. So super insane. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, I'm just the type of person that's like really into Idle Mafia. So to have this mod, I was able to get unlimited diamonds, guys. It's super crazy and it fully works. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. It's super awesome. And I think more people should try this because Idle Mafia is a fun game and all, but a lot of people sleep on it because they think that there's no way to get rich. But if you watch my video, guys, you'll realize that you can actually get a modded version of the Idle Mafia on your device pretty easily. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this actually works on iOS and Android. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not really someone that dabbles in mods because most of it is bullshit, but this Idle Mafia mod, guys, actually works in 2025. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like this game because I might make another video in the future if you guys are really like appreciative of me because this is super crazy, guys, and I really just thought that more people should know about this website because it's not well known at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys.